Okay. Hello, welcome back to another video. This is NYC Syndicate Boss signing in. Of course, I got my Punisher shirt on, Punisher hat, ready for war. Alright, so I was going to do the Windows 10 video today. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is just show you some basic troubleshooting. Pretty much like how to do. First, I'm going to start off on how to speed up your computer just a little bit. Some simple things you can do besides deleting stuff. It's a little bit more advanced, not too advanced, but you know, I'll go slow as I can. I'll say it's the first thing. Alright, so this is as you can see, this is how much space I have on my hard drive. Now, when you do Windows updates, Windows automatically keeps a huge file on your computer, just in case you want to go back, in case they mess something up by default. The reason I'm saying that, I'll show you in a minute. We go to properties, we go to this cleanup, and it's going to say, it usually would say Windows up there, but it doesn't. It says like downloads and stuff. So let me go back actually. First thing you want to do is right click local C, go to properties, hit this cleanup. Now they give you a selection. If you don't want anything in the downloads folder, and you click that. If not, leave it that way. Then go to clean up your system. Okay, so as you can see, Windows Update, Windows Log. So there's not really a lot to clean up here. So you go to OK. Do you want to delete files permanently? Yes. Now all this is doing is cleaning up like cookies and stuff, old stuff from your computer doesn't really need anymore. That's pretty much what it's doing. Okay, you hit OK. Now, it's another thing you do. We're going to press the Windows key. That should be located in between Control and Alt and the Shift area. So you press Start, then you go to Run. Then you want to go type in temp. Now you can get there two ways. You can do it this way. You can get there through that way. Or you can just go here. And just go to Windows. Then you can go to temp from here. You can do it either way. So what you want to do, delete. Some of the stuff is not going to allow you to delete it. So like if you go to continue, try again, skip it. Don't worry about it. Do this again, skip it. Some of that stuff shouldn't be deleted. Okay, so now we're going to use the run command again. I'm going to try something different. So, there it is. Percent, go to temp. All right, so what you want to do, you want to hold down your shift key, press 5, and I'll get you this symbol here, then press temp, then hold down your shift key again, press 5 for temp. And this will bring you to like more of a Windows temp. All right, now I'm gonna show you how to get there from scratch too. All right, so you go here. Okay, go here. And scroll down. Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. I'm going to the wrong temp folder. I just went from there. Okay. All right, so let's do this from scratch. File Explorer. And you want to go to your C drive, go to your user, go to you. Let's see. Okay. I guess for now, I mean, shit, I jump in on this. I mean, freaking operating system is so hard to keep track of which one it is. 7, 10, and funny. But let's go through a run command one more time. Go run. Let's go through it again. Shift 5, temp, shift 5. And that's number 5, not F5. And it'll bring you to this folder. You delete all this. Delete. All this, go skip it. Some of those files shouldn't be deleted. Like I was saying before, now we go back. I think it was 61. Really didn't relieve that much because I got a lot of stuff installed on this main drive. Now, the way this works, the way I set it up is this is my main drive. This is my secondary, third drive. So all my games go here, and everything. I don't really install games on my main drive. So my main drive is SSD, and so that's that. All right, so that's for that. You can see that mess on my desktop. Go to the device manager. Now there's 2 ways to do this as well. We're going to show you the easy way first. First way to do this is a program called Driver Booster. You double click that. This is like a driver program. It scans your computer, finds out what's out of date, and then upgrades it for you. So you press scan, so it's array, nothing, everything's up to date. Alright, so now this is the old way of doing it. Say if you thought, let's see, your Bluetooth driver was out of date, you go to right click it, first one, update driver, search for it automatically, and then Windows will search for it. That's the analog way of doing things, the old fashioned way. Okay, that's my graphic card. Say if you had sometimes the driver boosters, the reason you want to learn how to do it this way because sometimes the driver programs forget stuff. And so then you have to go do this yourself. Okay, that's about it. So those are pretty much 2 basic things, how to make your computer run a little faster. They have programs to help you run faster, but doing it that way also helps a lot because a lot of enterprise situations, let me show you, have some users call in and their hard drive keeps getting full. And like, oh, my hard drive keeps getting full. And no matter how many times I delete it, do simple stuff, it still won't empty. So then you go from here, double click the hard drive, go to Windows, then go to temp, and you delete everything in this folder, and that should get rid of that issue. So you ever run into that, where you feel like you've done everything and your hard drive's still getting full, that'll help you. Okay. I don't have any network drives to map, but I'll give you an example. Say if you want to map a network drive at work, and they give you an example like, let's map a network drive. It wants you to map, you might have somebody work on drive W, so now you want to go to this. Say if you work in a candy store /1234, and then you would go to finish, and that will map the drive to the candy store 1234 or whatever the name of it is. So that's how you would map a network drive. That's not network drive. I don't believe that's a network drive. Not even gonna try to do it, but that's how you would map a network drive if you had one. Alrighty. Okay. So now let's go here. Delete this. Since we delete it all. Now let's go back to this PC, refresh. They really didn't do much because, I do this regularly, so, and I have a few things installed on this main drive. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for now. Alright, so I really do hope you learned something from this video. If you could, drop a like, a comment, anything, something I did wrong, or just make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you all later, and enjoy your lockdown. Peace.